Hi guys, today we have with us Parul. Parul, today we want to know about your story because you've got less marks in the CAT exam.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
not talk about the CAT marks because यार ये मेरी सबको एडवाइस देगा तुम बोलो ही मत. इससे अच्छा गंदे मार्क्स बोलोगे जो थोड़ी बहुत इज्जत है वो भी उतर जाती है. So rather than talking about CAT marks, talk about the CMAT marks.
Yes,
So
sir.
CMAT you got 98 percentile and you are here at IMT Hyderabad.
Yes, sir.
So we want to know that journey about CMAT exam, how it went. बिकॉज आफ्टर कैटेजम लॉट ऑफ पीपल बिकम डाउन फील डाउन कि यार जिंदगी बर्बाद हो गई ये वो एंड बिकॉज व्हेन यू स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन ओनली थिंक अबाउट द अहमदाबाद
Yes,
सो
sir.
आईएम्स नहीं मिला तो फिर क्या करना लाइफ में दिस एंड दैट सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द बैकग्राउंड फर्स्ट वेयर यू फ्रॉम
Okay, sir. So I'm from Sonipat, Haryana, and I did my graduation from Delhi University in with the majors in chemistry. And after that, I started preparing for my CAT exam. Took coaching for a while, then I studied on my own. And after CMAT, there was a bad phase, like my CAT didn't go as planned. So it took me a while, but then I saw the opportunity in the CMAT exam and searched every college that accepted
CMAT
CMAT
first.
exams, exams max. So after that, I started preparing for that, and I covered each and every topic, but I didn't go much in the depth
Okay,
of
let's
it.
talk about that. See,
Yes,
CAT result came out in January first week,
yes, sir.
and it might have taken you 2 weeks का time to get normal कि क्या
Yes,
हो गया
sir.
life में.
Yes, sir.
So February you might have started for CMAT. CMAT
Yes,
was in
sir.
April.
Yes,
So
sir.
you got around 45 days का time to get 98 percentile.
Yes, sir.
So we want to know, I want to know about that part now we're talking about कि
Yes, sir.
ऐसा बंदा वही है यार कैट में इसी ने परफॉर्म किया तो कैट के टाइम ए तुम पढ़ते नहीं हो कैट का स्ट्रेस भी ज़्यादा रहता है
Stress
एंड देन
ज़्यादा.
मैथ्स को लेके दे दो वी हैव दैट
Yes,
हवा
sir.
अबाउट कैट but the moment you talk about the non-CAT exam, suddenly the confidence come back.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is something I can doable. The
Yes, sir.
CMAT is one exam you can doable.
Yes,
So
sir.
45 days is what we'll talk about what you
Yes,
did.
sir.
So one thing
45 to
which I
60
like what you
days.
said was
Yeah.
the CMAT is not about depth. क्या है about depth?
Yes, sir.
CMAT वो width.
Yes, sir.
हर चैप्टर में से एक क्वेश्चन आएगा.
Yes, you have to like practice especially the basics of each and every
Correct,
topic.
correct.
Yes, sir.
Because CAT के बाद logic is totally new, GK is totally new,
Yes, sir.
entrepreneurship innovation is
Innovation,
totally
that
new.
is new.
So
Yes, sir.
these kind of things if you can do, you can easily score well. So that's
Yes, sir.
98 is how much marks? 282 I think.
282.
Okay. आपको कुछ मोटा मोटा ब्रेकअप याद है कि what was the first section you started on the exam day? आपका
On the
order क्या
exam day?
था? Order
Okay,
क्या
sir.
था?
So I started with from starting from the very first question. I picked up that
Irrespective
only.
of whichever section
Yes,
it
sir.
is.
Yes, sir. Because that depends on my preparation. Like I was pretty confident in every section. My preparation was equal in every section. So that's why. But if you have if you are good at maths, then you should start with quant
Start with the
only.
favorite
Yeah,
topic
yeah.
normally you say that.
Yes.
Okay. Do you remember your marks in GK and innovation entrepreneurship? If you remember it, mota average.
Yes, sir. So, my GK was like pretty okay. I didn't, I just studied for the current affairs. I didn't go in like pole science and geography and all that. But innovation and entrepreneurship, that was a very
New topic for
yes,
everyone,
new
right?
topic, and that was very genuine also. There were the questions were very practical. Like if you are planning to do an MBA, so that were the basics things that one should know. So that was pretty
See,
okay.
after teaching for CMAT, मुझे लगता है कि in fact CAT should also include all these questions. Yeah, this is what
Yes,
MBA is all
sir.
about.
Yes, sir. That are the basics, and one should
Right.
know.
No issue about all these
Yes,
things.
sir.
Correct.
The basic knowledge.
Correct. So marks wise, any idea? 50, 40 in both GK and this.
Yes, sir. Actually, in innovation and entrepreneurship, I just remember that I left two questions
Okay.
in innovation and entrepreneurship. I just studied from YouTube videos and only that only. Like there were plenty of channels. Of
So
course,
around.
CMATking also. I got a lot of information through your channel also.
So I gave
So
them 60 plus marks. You might have got from there.
yes, sir.
ठीक है यार 60 मार्क्स यहाँ पे ले आओ जीके में 40 नंबर भी ले आओ
हाँ, my GK wasn't that good. Yeah.
So if I add 100 marks, see, why I'm asking the question because this is I'm interviewing all the toppers, all the people
Yes,
who
sir.
got 95 plus, and everyone have said the same thing. कि Innovation and GK, these are two areas. If you add 100 marks, वही हो गया यार.
Yes, sir.
If you remove this 100 marks, your score might be around 220, 210. Again, that is around 80%.
Yes, exactly, sir.
So भाई लोग entrepreneurship और
Yes, sir.
GK ये दो चीज संभालो.
GK, you shouldn't take like much load of GK. It's not that. Just practice the current affairs, just learn about them, and nothing else.
Correct.
Yeah,
तो GK
and
थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ लो,
हाँ,
innovation पे संभाल लो, you
हाँ.
can score well.
If you focus more on innovation and entrepreneurship part, though, that is much more scoring as compared to
Correct,
GK.
correct, correct. And then you can get them in a good job. So rather
Yes,
than
sir.
focus being sad about the CAT exam,
Yes, sir.
focus on CMAT, focus and make a comeback.
Yes, sir.
And you are at I'm Hyderabad now, where average package is around 12.
Yes, sir.
That was
Correct.
this is average will be around approximately 12. So
Yes,
it's a
sir.
good package to start with. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This
And
CAT
it's hiking. Like it, this year we
exactly
got a
exactly
25% hike.
20% 25% hike.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes. All right. Thank you,
So
Parul. Thank
thank
you.
you so much, sir.